Water, dirt, and rust in your fuel system can reduce engine performance and lead to expensive repairs. A quality fuel water separator helps keep fuel clean, protects injectors, and extends engine life. In this video, we'll count down the top 5 best fuel separators of 2026 for boats, diesel engines, and automotive applications. We researched product features and real user feedback to create this list. Check the links in the description for updated prices and availability. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews. Number 5, UF-10K Fuel Filter Element Water Separator Assembly. The UF-10K Fuel Filter Element Water Separator Assembly is designed for outboard motors from Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki, and Mercury. It efficiently removes water, dirt, and other contaminants before they reach the engine, helping improve fuel efficiency and reliability. Built with durable materials, it performs well in demanding marine environments and is simple to replace during routine maintenance. Whether you're fishing or cruising, this filter helps protect your boat engine and keeps it running smoothly. Number 4, S3213 Fuel Water Separator Filter Assembly. The S3213 Fuel Water Separator Filter Assembly is compatible with Mercury, Yamaha, Racer, Sierra, and many other outboard engines. Its 10-micron filtration captures fine particles while separating water from fuel to protect sensitive engine components. The complete assembly is designed for easy installation and dependable long-term performance in harsh marine conditions. It's an excellent choice for boat owners looking to improve engine reliability, reduce maintenance costs, and enjoy cleaner fuel on every trip. Number 3, Fuel Filter 26560-145/2656 F810 Fuel Water Separator Assembly. The Fuel Filter 26560-145 and 2656 F810 Water Separator Assembly is built for diesel engine maintenance and replaces several popular part numbers with ease. It effectively removes water and harmful contaminants to maintain consistent fuel flow and protect injectors from premature wear. Its durable construction ensures dependable operation in demanding working environments. Ideal for tractors, generators, construction equipment, and industrial diesel engines, this filter offers reliable performance and long service life. Number 2, B10-AL Fuel Tank Filter Water Separator Assembly. The B10-AL Fuel Tank Filter Water Separator Assembly comes with a PF10 filter element and is designed for efficient fuel cleaning and quick installation. It removes water, rust, and debris before they reach the engine, helping improve performance and reduce wear. The professional-grade housing offers excellent durability for regular use, while the simple installation process makes maintenance easy. It's a dependable solution for diesel-powered vehicles, equipment, and fuel transfer systems. Number 1, R12T Fuel Filter/Water Separator 120 Complete Kit. The R12T Fuel Filter and Water Separator 120 Complete Kit is the top pick thanks to its excellent filtration performance and complete installation package, including 4 fittings. Designed for diesel engines, it effectively separates water and removes contaminants to protect injectors and fuel pumps. The rugged construction ensures reliable operation in demanding conditions, while the easy-to-service design simplifies routine maintenance. It's an outstanding choice for anyone seeking maximum engine protection and long-lasting performance. A reliable fuel water separator is essential for protecting your engine, improving fuel quality, and reducing costly repairs. These 5 models offer dependable filtration, durable construction, and excellent value for marine and diesel applications. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.